Here we have another clock. I already took the hands off, but it is, I've never seen a clock like this before. It's a wind-up clock, and I believe when it winds, the people who are missing a couple of them spin. So I'm going to take it apart and see if I can get it running. It's different. It's missing some stuff. It sits down, so it'd be like a shelf clock or a table clock. But I like working on stuff like this. So we're going to take it apart and see if we can get it running. The clock is running, and the people that are on the stand, there's a gear right there. I don't know if you could see it, but it catches another gear to make the people spin. So right there it is. It's not in the slot. So anyway, the clock is dirty. There's all kinds of crud in it. And I'm going to take it apart and clean it and hopefully get the dancers to spin. There's the manufacturer of the clock. Like I said, it's made in Germany. And I can't tell. WA Scmid-Schlenker Jr. is what it says. I don't know if you can see that or not. But anyway, it's running, but I'm going to take it apart and clean it off camera.